Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Synapse. As in my so many previous videos for the past several months, I have been showing you that Synapse has formed a very big falling wedge pattern. And when it was testing the support of the wedge here in this video, and it was also testing the support of 28.5 cents, I shared this video with you and I was telling you that now there is a very high probability that the price end after this bounce may break out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern, and then I also shared the target with you as well. That was approximately at $5. Let me to show you what I told you in my previous videos. And now it is likely to have another bounce from this support of the falling wedge pattern. And the final target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $4.70 to $5. And now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that finally after getting bounced from the support of 28.5 cents and this support of the falling wedge pattern, the price end has rallied very well and broke out the resistance of this very big falling wedge pattern. And so far from this support, this low to this high, it has rallied almost 640%, but got rejected by this quite long-term resistance of $2 that was previously breaking as a support here. And now for the past several months, it is breaking as a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another uptrend line support and resistance that Synapse has recently found. This is the uptrend line support, and this is the uptrend line resistance, and this is the support. And this is a quite steep rising wedge pattern that recently Synapse has formed, and right now it is moving at the support of this wedge. And we will also take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Synapse that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 30% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Synapse that I shared 2 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that Synapse has formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see I shared this idea on 1st of April. And this is a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal. First, it dropped down inside this buying zone. Then we had a very nice pump. And so far, it has pumped almost 30%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Synapse, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and this was the falling wedge pattern that I have been showing you in my so many previous videos, and I've been telling you that once Synapse will be able to break out this falling wedge pattern, then this downtrend, a quite long-term downtrend, will be finished and a quite long-term uptrend will be started. And even when it was moving at this support of 28.5 cents, in those days I shared another video with you that here we got two very long-term supports. Like for the past several weeks, the price was testing the support of 28.5 cents. It found a very nice support and firm support here. And at the same time, we also had a quite long-term downtrend line support of this falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore, I was telling you that after this bounce, the price end can break out the resistance of the wedge, and you can see that finally we have broken out, and so far it has pumped almost 640%. And now it is very important for the Synapse to break out this quite long-term uptrend line, this resistance of $2.40, and this uptrend line resistance of the rising wedge pattern as well, because you can see that recently it got rejected by the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. At the same time, it also got rejected by this $2 resistance as well. You can see we had a long spike up to $2, and now the price end is again getting bounced from the support of this rising wedge pattern. This time, if the price end will be reach the resistance of the wedge, then again it can hit the resistance of $2 and the resistance of the wedge together. And now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this, in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, the target to the outside, for example, if the price end will be able to break it out from here, then the target can be somewhere between $5.60 to $6. That is slightly higher than the target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern that was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.